You are looking for a shower enclosure with slender design, high quality, and an excellent value for money ratio? Then JONA from Kermi will be the perfect choice. It does not matter if you opt for a hinged door or a hinged door with folding mechanism. JONA is suitable for almost every bathroom situation. High-quality materials and their careful processing ensure a long-lasting pleasure with your JONA shower enclosure. With profiles made of high-quality anodized aluminum, hinges and handles made of high-quality metal, this shower enclosure really looks great. JONA profiles are available in high luster silver and soft black, and convince with a width adjustment of 20 mm in each wall profile. The hinge door comfort with rising hinge mechanism enables a reliable opening and closing of the door. The knob with non-slip rubber rings as an option creates a comfortable haptics. The practical towel hook, which offers optimal space for every towel, is always at hand. And also regarding the cleaning, JONA points with flush hinges inside for all hinge doors with folding mechanism and a standard easy clean coating. JONA. This is slim, elegant design in a comfortable standard height of 2 meters. For example, as a door in recess, door and side panel, corner entry, hinged doors with folding mechanism. Made in Germany, tested in accordance with TÜV and with CE mark, with the highest quality single panel safety glass. Easy cleaning coating for an even less demanding cleaning process, and 5-year after-sales guarantee for spare parts. This is Kermi JONA.